Hello everyone! In this guided visualization meditation, we will intentionally stimulate the brain to picture in detail the life you want to create, which as a result, you will begin to notice opportunities, patterns, and actions that align with your vision in every area of your life. Let's begin by finding stillness. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Hold and exhale slowly. Again, breathe in. Hold and release. One more time. Inhale deeply. Hold and let it all go. You are now entering the perfect state to receive. So, please follow my voice and imagine yourself standing in a quiet, beautiful space, a place that feels safe, warm, and peaceful. Maybe it's a garden, a cozy room, or at an empty and calm beach. You are completely at ease here. The air is filled with possibilities. You look around and you can feel a different energy in the air. Above you, there is a gentle golden light. This light represents everything you desire: peace, love, money, health, joy, successes, good friends. And you don't have to reach for it. It's already present in your life. Now, see your ideal life flowing towards you effortlessly. What this looks like, I don't know. Maybe you got the house you wanted, you got the partner you wanted, or the family you wanted. Or maybe in your ideal life, you are traveling the world because your job allows you to. You can work from abroad. You have more than enough money for you to travel and take a break several times a year. Your business is now successful and you are expanding your horizons. With your imagination, you are in front of the mirror right now, looking to yourself with a smile in your face and feeling completely fulfilled. You are happy that things are coming to you so easily. You're not chasing it. You're attracting it with your calm, magnetic energy. You say to yourself, "Well done for making great choices in life." You are happy with your body, with your physical look, and you love yourself as you never did in the past. Picture yourself looking at your bank account, maybe an app on your phone, and you are smiling. As you look at it, you are thinking, "My money never ends. It's incredible. Nothing lacks in my life." You are aligned, and because of that, everything good finds you. Say quietly in your mind or out loud, "I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me flows effortlessly." Feel those words anchor into your body. Feel how peaceful it is to let go of the need to control and trust that what's meant for you is already on its way. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, picture yourself smiling, grateful, and ready for your day. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You are now in full alignment with receiving. Let the magic unfold.